In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix unable to play games on Power Ranger game app. If you're having any issues with your Power Rangers game app, such as the app not opening or hanging or constant crashes, then let me show you how you can fix this. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so there are quite a number of methods you can use to fix this app. In the first method, we're going to access the app info page for us to troubleshoot it. To do this, just long press on your app and then go ahead and choose on app info. This will take us on this Power Rangers app info, and here we need to go ahead and clear the app data. So if I go to storage here, go ahead and look for cache data. One of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning or not responding is because of accumulation of cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your game or app normally collects whenever you use it to enhance user experience. But the problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. To solve this problem, go ahead and tap on clear data here and then choose the second option, clear cache. From here, restart your smartphone and open your Power Rangers game, and it should now play fine. However, should you still experience any challenge, then come to clear all data down here and okay, and this should solve your problem. However, if you're still experiencing any challenge with your Power Ranger app, then you need to go ahead and look for any update on this app. To do this, go to Play Store, just search for Power Rangers and find out if we have any update. By updating your app, you'll be able to fix any issues related to your Power Rangers Legacy Wars game app and get your game playing smoothly without any issue. But should you still find issues such as the game still crashes, then you need to go ahead and uninstall this app and then install it afresh for you to get the latest version that doesn't contain any bugs. So by using any of these methods, you should be able to fix any issues related to Power Rangers app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.